Ayan na, nanggigigil na ako ah. Stressful. How stressful? Nasa mood ako mag-live, how stressful? Kaka-stress. Anyway, we're back. Ano yung sinasabi ko kanina? Ano yung sinasabi ko kanina? Oh my God. Wishlist ko may magregalo sa akin ng Sunny Angel Hippers na customized na Mick Chanel. Like a hat or hairpiece na I wore on the show. Parang gano'n. Gusto ko na, hindi ako nagko-collect ng ng Sunny Angels kasi nga, ang dami na nagko-collect. Pero gusto ko ng Hippers kasi parang gusto ko lang ng baby na nakaganon sa phone ko. Gusto ko ng nakaganon sa phone ko. Ayun lang. Aside from that, gifts and meet and greets, ano naman ako? I like anything Cardcaptor Sakura related. I like anything Sailor Moon related. I like a lot of Care Bears. Basta mahilig ako sa... Isipin nyo lang bata ako. Wiz mag-watch ng DRPH at TG dapat sa HBO with PLDT Wi-Fi. Tama! Kahit na minsan ang PLDT Wi-Fi namin medyo mahirap ka-banding. Opo. Hala, Mick Chanel Fresh. Huy, hindi ako drag daughter ni Minty Fresh. Huy. Nabasbasan lang ako as face card ni Ate Minty. But, Charis. Want an American boyfriend? Oh, sorry. No, I'm not currently available. Charot! Sana yung fashion reviews ng Jana Mami. It's coming. Nagkaroon lang kami ng delay kasi may kulang akong deliverables na like B-rolls for my editor. But, malapit na. Bukas. Before the next bukas, promise. Oh my God. Carry ba ang Barbie doll na regalo sa meet and greet? Carry lang. Though I'm not much of a doll collector. Siguro I'm not much of a doll collector, tas hindi ko actually favorite ang Barbie dolls. I feel like I'd be more dati rin bumibili ako na Ever After High tsaka Monster High. Though lately sobrang nakukita na ako sa Rainbow High dolls. But hindi ako super doll collector. Tsaka I also wouldn't know. Medyo kailangan ko ng ayusin to, dagdagan ng mga like display shelves yung toy shelf ko kasi medyo ang dami ng lahat, di na sila kasha. Healing your inner child ng atake, correct. What happened to blonde hair and blue eyes? I'm kind of just living this natural fantasy at the moment. I'm enjoying my natural dark hair. I'm enjoying my natural eye color. Although I do wear contacts and I only wear colored contacts and not clear contacts. Do you want Blythe? Oh my God, Blythe dolls, sickening. Like, medyo mahal ang Blythe dolls So, oh my God, alam nyo ba, dati sobrang nagkaroon ako ng phase na when I was in, I think, high school or college to, na-obsess ako sa Pulip dolls. But Pulip dolls are quite expensive. So, I never got myself a Pulip doll. But, oh my God. Sobrang gusto ko ng Pulip. Oh my God. What's your haircut po? Kung ano yung haircut ng barbero ko sa akin. No, I mean, usually I get this at like a taper fade na paikot. Pero, hanggang dito lang. I'm kind of growing out this part a little bit. Basta yun. Sana punta ka din, Sydney. Punta dito si Angel, Maxi at Bencho. Uy, kailan sila pupunta? Oh my God. I love that for them. Not for me. Charot. Ma, sino uuwi this week? Ikaw. Matigas ulo mo Ayoko nga hindi nga tayo nagsasagot na spoiler sa lives na to. Huy. hindi kami magsasagot ng spoilers on any lives because we have an NDA. And I don't think kaya nyong bunuan ang fine ng NDAs namin. Me right now, nagreklamo sa gawain pero gagawin pa rin after ng live ni Mix. Girl, same. Hobby ko yan. Magreklamo pero gagawin din naman. This question is very personal po. I noticed po kasi mga podcast nyo na you change your attitude depending on the person you talk to or interact with. Do you have ADHD po? I'm like to call myself blanket neurodivergent kasi hindi ko pa, I haven't gotten diagnosed specifically for which branch of neurodivergence I am. Although I have suspected for a while now that I might be on the spectrum. But anyway, ayon. So I don't... Yeah, but I do have ADHD though. Anyway, neurodivergent as fuck. Yeah, I guess a form of masking. Yeah, I mean, halata naman. End of November kasama si Precious dala ni Gigi. Oh, I love that. Work. May DragCon ba sa PH soon, me? No, I don't think so. I don't think there's gonna be any DragCon in the Philippines anytime soon. Nung June, I think nagkaroon ng DragCon-esque na event ng si Beyond Limits, but I don't know. Funko or Pop Mart? I only have one Funko Pop actually, and it's a Carrie Funko Pop na binigay sa akin ng friend ko before kasi nag-perform ako I've done 2 Carrie-related numbers previously. Okay na ba? Ayan na, Chaya Goncillo, add as moderator, confirm. Sino po fave drag queen mo nag-compete sa RuPaul's Drag Race? I have a lot of favorites, honestly. I've been watching Drag Race for 11 years now. I started watching Drag Race back in 2013. Will you join DragCon UK next year? I hope to. I really hope to get to join DragCon UK. But alam nyo naman, ang passport ng Pilipinas is not very powerful. So, mag-a-apply pa tayo ng visa. And if we get approved for a visa, we will go to DragCon UK. Book recommendations naman, Mix. Reading House of Hidden Meanings and Goodreads siya. I have not read an actual novel in the longest time. Just because ang naging parang go-to source of entertainment ko lately is video essays and podcasts. So I haven't really been reading novels a lot lately. Ma, what's your favorite holiday? Payday and rest day. Musical records na lang. Oh, I am very, very known to be a huge Legally Blonde the musical fan. The whole Legally Blonde the musical is on YouTube. Pwede nyo siya panoorin sa YouTube. Watch it. Nung college ako, every time mag-all-nighter ako para sa ACADS, yan lagi pinapakinggan para motivate ako na parang, kung si Elle Woods ka nakapag-law school, kaya ko to. Parang ganong levels. Anong shape ng glasses mo? Anong tawag? Bet ko po kasi. I don't know kung anong shape siya, but it's just from EO. Executive Optical, galing yung salamin ko. Not sponsored, but yeah. Yes, Legally Blonde, girl. Kaya ako nag-perform ng Legally Blonde sa PLDT because it's one of my go-to numbers. And like, I've performed so much better so many times. Have you read Atomic Habits by James Clear? No, I have not. Congrats sa highest rating sa IMDb, ma. I'm just very happy to have been part of Snatch Game. Ma, pwede ba 13 to 15 years old sa Bekenemen? Well, we're sponsored by Absolute and sometimes kasi we give out free drinks. So, I would... And it's a bar setting, so, we don't encourage it. Ayon. Make sure I celebrate my birthday at Butterboy. Yes, you should if you want. Like, I will be at Butterboy this coming Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. So if you want to celebrate your birthday with me, I guess, then punta ka sa Butterboy. More mix sa Sabrina, please. You're so pretty. Yes, I would love to perform more Sabrina songs. Iniisipan ko lang ng concept yung ang gusto kong perform next is either Good Graces or Juno. And iniisipan ko lang siya ng concept ng kung ano yung like atake ko sa kanta na yun. But working on it. Saan mas excited? Wicked movie or A Wicked Kita Rusical? Since mas malapit siya, Wicked Kita the Rusical. Juno. Yeah, girl. I love Juno. Juno and Good Graces are definitely my favorites from the new album. Also, Bedkem. Pabati po kasi birthday ko na, sure ka ba? Feeling ko nang bubudol ka lang eh. May day intervention pa rin po ba sa October 2? I don't know. Hindi ako nabubuk sa intervention because of the schedule conflict with the viewing party that I produce, Bekenemen. So, I don't know if they have schedule on that day. I want to see Mula sa Buwan. How was it? You should. It is honestly a Filipino classic musical at this point. I'm pretty sure they'll come back, pero parang closing weekend na yata nito last weekend. So I don't know if mag-extend pa sila or what. But if you have the opportunity to watch Mula sa Buwan, please go and watch Mula sa Buwan. What's coming up in new episodes that you're excited for? The Rusical. Kailan ka ulit magkakaroon ng mall show? Mall show, I don't know. Wala pa akong next scheduled mall show. Do you like Hamilton? I really enjoy the Hamilton songs. I've watched the Hamilton Disney Plus a couple times and na-enjoy ko naman siya. But I think I like the songs of Hamilton more than the musical itself. If that makes any sense? Who wanna watch Mula sa Buwan din? Lana. Top closing weekend na nila. Wait, water. The Aqua Flask is back. Riverbanks show when? Hindi ko rin alam. Hindi ko rin alam. At totoo lang, like, wala pa kaming Mayor Marcy shout out. So, Mayor Marcy when? May age limit ba sa brunch ng Butterboy? I don't think so. Alam ko Butterboy, since it's a drag brunch, there's no alcohol involved. I don't think they have any age limits. Oh, and 6 the Musical is coming here in October. Oh my god, I want to watch 6 the Musical. Is blue your favorite color? Yes, it is. Especially, ang favorite color ko before is like a bright teal or cyan blue. Pero ngayon I've been more into this powder blue shade. Yung sa pink baso ba, coffee na naman yon. Yes. Cerulean blue, yeah. Basta like, I used to like the brighter shade of blue. Now I'm kind of more into this pastel powder blue. When ulit kayo magsasama-sama nila Maxi? Pag hindi na masyado busy, siguro. Kasi, yung last hangout nila kay John Fideliaga, I was supposed to go there, pero schedule conflict. I don't know when. Honestly, the girls are booked and blessed and busy. And I love that for all of us. Pero yun, hindi kami masyado nagkakaroon ng tugma-tugmang schedule para makapagliwaliw together. I Stanley work. Actually, marami akong tumblers na bigay lang sa akin. Spoiler man, no. None of that here. Thank you. Hello sa mga bagong pasok. What can we expect sa next episode and sa Rusical ma? What you can expect sa next episode is 6th episode siya ng Drag Race Philippines. Tapos may Rusical. Tapos yung Rusical inspired sa Wicked. Listening to your podcast kagabi. Can't wait for this week's episode. I'm also very excited for the Rusical episode. I did take up theater and did theater productions in college. So, ayun. I was very excited na we had a Rusical on our season, and I'm very excited to see it. I'm very excited for everyone else to see it. Hello po, I'm a big fan. Wow, Sok. Rate mo lahat ng queens ng season 3. Ayoko. Ayoko nga. If you are gonna date someone from the Drag Race Philippines season 3 cast, who would it be? Wala. Wala. My sisters are my sisters. This year's Rusical or season 2? Syempre yung Rusical namin. Kasi sa amin yun. So bakit hindi ko pipiliin yung Rusical namin? Ang extra fresh nyo po tonight. Happy eh. Sana winner ka na uli this week. Abangan. Namimiss mo po pong magteatro or nakapag-teatro ka pa po? The last time I did an actual theater production was nung last year ko in college, yung thesis production ko. Yeah, that was the last time. That was way back in 2017 pa. I haven't done an actual theater production in a while. Miss ko na mag-theater, but right now my priority is drag. But if I have an opportunity to get back into theater in drag, I would love to do that. Honestly, parang isa yun sa mga minamanifest kong opportunities. But it's also a large commitment in terms of time. And alam nyo naman, in the drag industry, time is money. So, if I'm gonna take up that opportunity, parang pag worth it siya. Kung may date po kayong fan, sino to at bakit? Si Karet! Kung si Kiana, sorry ang masabi niya sa next ep. How about you, Mix? Ang masabi ko sa next ep, abangan. Alam nyo, ang dami nyong question na paulit-ulit, huy. Ang dami nyong question na paulit-ulit, not listening kayo. Magalit sa inyo, Queen of Comprehension. May podcast na rin pala si Bawas. Hahabet mo makinig ng mga thoughts nyo. Power to your podcast, viewing party as well. Thank you so much, Apollo. Ang kitang pointy ears mo pang Rings of Power. Thank you, I guess. May Lalaparusa po ba? Abangan mo na lang. Mahilig ka ba sa Ghibli? Yes. Ghibli, whatever, how you pronounce it. Yeah, I used to watch I used to watch Ghibli movies a lot. Sorry, makaka-join lang. No, I don't collect Sunny Angels. I think they're really cute, but a lot of people collect them na kasi. So parang, may kipag-agawan pa ba ako? Tsaka, because of the high demand, medyo naging mahal na ang Sunny Angels. Pero ayun, gusto ko magkaroon ng hipper kasi gusto ko lang na may cute na nakaganon sa phone ko. Nakaganon. But yeah. When ang mixed deputa drag swap pag nagka-time kami, girl? Honestly, our schedules have been so busy. It's hard to find time for the girls to just hang out and kiki. Favorite season ng American franchise? Oh my god, wow. Top of mind says season 9, just because Sasha Velour is like one of my favorite winners. I also really liked All-Star 7, contrary to like public opinion. All-Star 7, apologist ako ng earlier seasons, like seasons 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are like quintessential Drag Race. Mix Chanel, pahinga when? Nagpahinga naman ako yesterday, and then nag-shoot lang ako this morning, and nakapahinga ako right now. So, resting when we can. Hi, kisses from Argentina, we love you. Oh my god, hello Argentina, I would love to go and visit you guys someday if the opportunity presents itself to me. But thank you so much for the love. Argentina, don't cry for me. Charot. Excited sa Wednesday and also Minty and Friends reunion. Oh my God, yeah. Kat and Minty are going to be at our viewing party on Wednesday. Abangan kung bati na ba talaga sila. Charis. Tuloy po ba ang party ng mixologist? Parang wag na po, tigas ulo naman ng iba. True. Parang wag na nga. Charis. Milk Chanel, sakit mo naman. Real. Favorite judge so far? Melay was so much fun. Alam ko nag-bottom ako na hosting challenge, but having Melay in the workroom was so much fun. She was sobrang gaan niyang kasama. She was such a light in the room. But my favorite rotating judge has to be John Santos. Like, I love getting to banter with John Santos sa workroom walkthroughs. I love getting to banter with Sir John sa main stage pag nag-critiques. As in, like, sobrang hangang-hanga ako. As in, idol na idol ko Sir John. Save Pokemon once again. It is Eevee. She's right there on my shin. I mean, on the back of my leg. Whatever. What if nag-warsong si Minty at Kat in the viewing party? Eh, di bongga, airtime. I miss your top era na mix. Kung top sa Drag Race, same. Kung top in real life, I don't miss it. Charot. Pinagalitan. Inatake niyo naman si Milky. Mix, it's my birthday today. Sure ka ba? Ayoko naniniwala. Lahat kayo birthday nyo araw-araw eh. Are you a fan of Avatar? Yes, I am. I do have an Avatar-inspired tattoo on the side. It's meant to be dalawang Aquarius because both my parents are Aquarius. And then this is Pisces. But the illustration of the Pisces is inspired by the koi fish sa Northern Water Tribe sa Avatar. Nagka-trust issues na siya sa mga birthday niyo, hayop. Real. Akala ko si Matilda, si Maldita pala to. Actually, Chay, ano na nga ba nangyari dun sa, na-update dun sa pa-kids party natin? Hindi na natin na, na-update yun. Dami naman fandom mix. Yes, I'm just a pop culture nerd, I guess. I mean, before, I still like the lore of, but I don't like the writer of Harry Potter anymore, but the lore is still fire. Hunger Games, I love the Hunger Games. Avatar, of course, Sailor Moon, Cardcaptor Sakura. What else? I just have a lot of interests. Fave kita, Super. Apologies mo ako, Eme. Salamat sa pagde-defend. Bawi ako soon. Charis. Bitch, why didn't you use the original verse in your verse? Because I just wanted to vibe with the music that was given to us. And I vibed with it, and I wrote something that I thought best suited the track, and I made that. If you guys are expecting me to backtrack any of my decisions on the show, I'm not doing that. I've made peace with all of my decisions on Drag Race. Were they all the best decisions? Of course not. Like, kaya nga tayo nabobottom. But I did what I did, and nothing I can say or nothing I do or say now is gonna change any of that. Diba? So, like, I want to work on a lot of stuff in the future that will hopefully, like, make up for whatever bottom placements I have on Drag Race. But, alam mo yon, what happened on Drag Race stays in Drag Race. And I'm not gonna say sorry, I'm not gonna regret any of it. It is what it is. Mixed apologist here, di po magsasawa magtanggol sa Reddit, lol. I don't even check Reddit. What was your reaction when you saw Kyle as the guest judge? I talked about this on the podcast. Na-excite ako for Angel. Kasi alam namin lahat na crush nga ni Angel si Kyle Chari. Make Chanel as the new ambassador of Chanel. Yan ang manifesting. Yan ang manifesting malala. I would love to be like an actual Chanel girl. Nakauwi na ba ang mga naka-Red Boom Boom? Umalis sila dito right before I started the first live. Umalis sila dito mga 7:30. I also like that you are politically correct. I like what you stand for as a person, not just for being a drag queen. I try. I try to be as informed and, you know, parang on the right side of history as much as I can. I'm only a person and I'm only like, you know, parang learning. I'm still trying to get myself better informed, and I try not to speak on things that I'm not well informed about, but this is by far the second best season compared to season 1. Why wala kayo premiere night and pa-carpet? That decision kasi is on HBO Go and not on the local production house. Anong feeling maging intellectual queen? I don't know how to answer that. I feel like a person. I feel good, I guess. I don't know. Sending love from, is that Germany? Is that Germany I see? Love myself aware queen. Thank you so much. Sending love back to Germany. Kamukha mo si Kenneth ng That's My Basin yun. Guys, hindi ako nanonood ng TV. Sa YouTube and like streaming services lang ako nanonood. Hindi ako nanonood ng like actual TV. Mom, what's your fave look as of now sa Drag Race Philippines? Of course, the fractals. Like, I really love the fractals. And I'm so happy na maganda yung reception ng mga tao sa forecast Jana look ko from the last episode. Kasi, based on the judges' critiques, my wind runway was the least well received by the judges. They didn't hate it naman. Sabi nga ni Karat Karen, they liked it. They liked the concept. They just wanted more. So parang yun yung pinaka least successful look ko, I think, of my package. But my runway look on episode 6 is one of my favorites. Sana may Minty X Mix X Marina ad ulit. Oh my God. It's been 2 years na pala, no? Since the, MAC Cosmetics campaign. That was a time. Oh my God. Petition for the 3 hours long Untalked after hearing the podcast last night. Very curious sa uncut group banters. It's not our call. It's production's call. And I would also love to see a longer version of Untalked, honestly. Just for the memories. Like, I don't care if I was bottom in the Untalked. I had a lot of fun. That was such a fun... kahit na bottom ako sa Snatch Game, rather, sorry. Even if I was the bottom 3 for the Snatch Game, I had a lot of fun. And I would love to just watch it for the memories again, for the vibes. Ang ganda-ganda mo, Mix. Favorite kita. I swear to God, I miss you. I miss you too sa mga nakamiss sa akin. Charet. Anong feeling i-shade ni Bao sa podcast? Carry lang. Ganun naman kami as friends. I mean, like, we love each other. We're very supportive of each other's endeavors. But, if your friend is afraid to, like, be playfully shady with you, I mean, as long as hindi naman, like, sobrang talagang putting salt in the wound level shady. Pero yung parang shady banter, if you have a friend that's afraid of doing shady banter with you, are they really your friend? Parang, I want my friends to be supportive of me, but I don't want my friends to be pandering to me all the time na parang, oo na lang sa lahat na ideas ko. I don't want to be surrounded by yes men. May unaired Snatch Game scene ka ba na you wish na sama? Well, maybe it's the rose-colored lenses, but I think I answered well in the first couple questions. Yung mga napakita is from the latter half of Snatch Game where, admittedly, I was flatlining naman. I love that you are commenting spoilers on my live. So, bye. Parang want ko pa deliver ka na iced coffee. Want nyo po. Oh, I would appreciate that. Though pwede mo lang i-Gcash na lang. Are you watching Global All-Stars? Not anymore. Eva just got eliminated. Charit. Is your favorite color blue? Yes, it is. Sobrang big brain ng second honors banter mo, can I just say. My Snatch Game, yung intro banter ko sa Snatch Game was much longer than they actually aired. And talagang parang, basta, pin po ng Gcash, o go. Go lagyan ng Gcash. And, pin, ayan. I love your accent, ma. I guess laking Disney Channel and Nickelodeon. Mahilig ako sa cartoons, bata pa lang. Hi, ma. Isang good luck sa exam namin bukas. Good luck sa exam nyo bukas. Andre, kalmahan mo yung comment mo paulit-ulit. Nabasa ko siya. Kalma. Pin po ng Lala Move. Wow! Galing yung tatlo sa part 1, part 2, part 3. Yeah, oh my God. Alam mo, I'm so happy that made the cut. Because that was so fun. Ayun talaga, parang Snatch Game was a lot of like group banters. And, kaya, yun, yeah, I mean, bottom 3 ako. But I had so much fun. I had a lot of fun in Snatch Game. Hindi siya nag-translate sa ano. Hindi siya nag-translate sa performance ko, but I had a lot of fun. Kailan po ulit Fashion Remix? We're working on it. We are planning to upload it tomorrow. May late lang ako na send ng mga B-rolls sa editor ko. Which, by the way, let me just nudge my editor real quick. Hold that thought. Dahil nare-remind nyo ako of work. May Sunny Angel ka ba? Wala ako Sunny Angel. But gusto ko ng hipper. Gusto ko kahit isang hipper lang para lang sa phone ko. Kasi ang cute ng hippers. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. Hope to see more of your iconic looks talaga, Shet. Abangan, Charis. What's the number for Gcash? What's my love language? That's an interesting question. What's my love language? In terms of giving, I'm an acts of service person. Like, I love cooking for people. I love doing things for other people. In terms of receiving, I guess, words of affirmation. That's why I love receiving letters. Video. Ayan, anyway, sorry, we're back. Okay, we're back in focus. Hello, ma. Sorry, kakapasok ko lang sa live mo. Tinapos ko po, hindi ko tapusin para manonood na lang ako. Ang fresh mo talaga. That's okay, that's fine, baby. Just prioritize your priorities. Ilan purog badge nyo? Isa. Like, you... It's on episode 2. So, abangan nyo kung madadagdagan, but... Bet mo din physical touch. Kita ko soft touch mo, lol. Yeah, I do. Of course, I'm very clingy and affectionate to all of my close friends, to all of the people close in my life. But yeah. Yes, hello. Okay na. How's the Eras Tour concert for you? Oh my God, the Eras Tour. First concert ko siya actually, ever. Aside from yung like variety concerts kan, but like first actual like concert ko siya ever. So much fun. Ang dami kong iniyak. Also, naging Sabrina Carpenter convert ako sa Eras Tour because Sabrina is so pretty. Like, kahit na pawis na siya sa humidity sa Singapore, she was still so pretty. Ilan months na yung huling live mo? Nag-live ako last week. Nung Monday. What are you talking about? Anong masasabi sa mga drag queen na babae? All drag is valid, girl. It is what it is. What's my favorite Sabrina song? From emails I can't send, aside from the singles, I'd have to say Tornado. Wait, is Tornado Warnings a single? Did Tornado Warnings get a music video? Basta Tornado Warnings yung favorite ko from emails. And then right now, ang favorite ko from Short and Sweet is Juno. Bet ko yung con attire mo, haha, hashtag Vogue Singapore, lol. Oh my god, yeah, can't believe that was featured on Vogue Singapore. That was actually my backup confessional look. That was that was my second option for my confessional look. But pinili ko yung bandanas because that was more Michanel brand. Always see you laughing sa mga jokes ng other queen Snatch Game. I love it. Yeah, girl, I mean, the Snatch Game was hilarious. Like, why wouldn't I? Are you currently a full-time drag queen? Yes, I am. How is it like being one? Well, now, even before Drag Race, I was very fortunately booked and blessed. But now, now that I have Ru Girl Clout, a lot more opportunities are coming in. I'm so excited for it. I'm very fulfilled by my career at the moment. Pagod, yes, definitely. Parang, I did not expect to get to a point where I'd be in drag like 5 times a week sometimes, but I'm very happy with where my career is at right now, and it's thanks a lot to you guys that are supporting me. Did you go to SG also? Yes, I went to the March 8th Singapore concert ng Eras Tour. Is there any drag queen that inspired you to be a drag queen mix? Drag Race in general. I started watching Drag Race way back in 2013. Patugtog mo nga sinigang mix, please. Okay, go. Give ko yan sa inyo. Patugtogin natin ang sinigang mix. Hanapin natin siya sa Spotify. It is up on Spotify if you guys did not know. Kailangan ba ng asim? Sinigang ng bonggang asim. Sinigang mix. 1. Nilabas ang iyong long hard gulay. 2. Pagkuluan ng baboy dye. 3. Haluan ng sinigang mix. And 4. Tikman ng bonggang asim. Gulay, baboy, mix, asim. Gulay, baboy, mix, asim. Haluan ng asim ang buhay. Para ito'y bongga ang kulay. Everybody dance the sinigang mix. Haluan ng asim with sinigang mix. Gulay, baboy, mix, asim. Gulay, baboy, sinigang mix. Hala, 1 years old pa lang ako nag-start ka manood ng Drag Race. Dear! Ala, dear! Ala, ang tanda ko na, dear! Ala! Ang tanda ko na bigla dun sa comment mo, be. Alis ka na dito sa live ko. Chase. Please drop your pinaka-favorite Taylor Swift song. It's no secret, favorite ko is The One from Folklore and also Delicate from Reputation. From Tortured Poets, I have to say my favorite from Tortured Poets is The Prophecy, just because yun yung pinaka tumatak sa akin emotionally. Favorite Taylor album, Reputation stand through and through, Folklore stand through and through. And I think Midnights might have been dethroned by Tortured Poets for me. Okay, pagtugin natin uli yung lo-fi ng ng Folklore. For the vibes. For the vibes. One word from episode 6, Rusical. Nanonood ka ba to Anyone Con? May tickets na ba? I really want to. Like, To Anyone is one of the first K-pop groups I ever stand. I have a lot of regrets about that. I was ahead of the curve became a sphere. Hi, Mix. Goodbye and good night. Please don't forget the rest. You deserve it. Thank you, Joey Rain. Pahinga ka na. Did anyone already said to you na you look like Manila Luzon? Oh my God! Wala pa! Charot, girl. I've been getting Manila Luzon comments since I started doing drag, honestly. Where's Baus? You're so cute together. Hindi po kami magjowa ni Baus, please. Kung gusto nyo kami makita together, panoorin nyo yung podcast, please. Pero hindi po kami magjowa. Tigilan nyo yan. What was your reaction nung nalaman yung Wicked yung Rusical nyo? I was so excited. Like, the songs from Wicked have meant a lot to me. And though hindi ko pa siya napapanood, like even a bootleg or anything, hindi ko pa napapanood yung Wicked talaga. So I'm excited for the movie. But yeah, I was so excited na we get to do Wicked for our Rusical. Good luck mo ako, debate namin tomorrow. Good luck sa lahat ng kailangan ng good luck. Ganda pala ng boses mo, te, when you sing. Lul, eme-eme. Eme-eme yan siya. Ano pong fave or top scent mo when it comes to perfume? Vanilla. Vanilla is my favorite perfume notes. Nakapag-send na po na pang coffee, ma. Thank you, Angel Masil. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Any amount that you guys send to my GCash or any amount that you guys tip is well appreciated because it does all add up and it does, you know, as a full-time drag queen, it helps pay the bills, it helps pay for my daily needs, helps pay for transpose to shows. Favorite card captor Sakura card? I think it's The Fly. Just because it's the most iconic. Need to review, ma. Ingat, bye. Ingat! Mag-review na kayo. Unahin nyo yung priorities nyo, guys. Do you stand in Hypen or any K-pop group? Anong generation? Mga generation 4 or 5? Hindi na ako masyadong updated sa the most recent generation, honestly. Like, last kong like peak K-pop stan era was like 2015 to 2017, 2018. And ang alt group ko at that time was Day6. Pokemon ba yan sa likod? Is it your favorite anime? Cardcaptor Sakura is my favorite anime. That's why it's my entrance look. But I do love Pokemon. Unang episode ata po yung card na yon, di ba? I think so. Basta yung fly yung lagi niyang ginagamit para mag-expand yung wings ng wand niya or like magkaroon ng wings yung shoes niya. Mga edad ni Mix Shiny yan. Oh my God, don't clock me. But yes, Gen 2 stan. Gen 2 ako nag-start mag-stan ng K-pop. Where can we watch you this Wednesday, ma? You can watch me this Wednesday and every Wednesday for the rest of the season sa Bekaneman Viewing Parties, which I co-produced and co-host with Baus Rufo. Toya and Yukito, oh my God, yes! Do you know TXT ba? Kasi I saw J Queen once sa TXT Con. I know TXT, but I don't stan them. I like some of their songs though, pero hindi ko sila sobrang like fina-follow as a group. Good luck on your Arky journey, Kyle. See you Wednesday. I have a gift for you. Oh my God, Mick Milay. See you on Wednesday. Pakilala ka when you see me. Yeah, I'm excited to see you guys this coming Wednesday for the Bekaneman Viewing Parties for Drag Race Philippines Episode 6, The Rusical. Nakapagpahinga ka na ba today, Mix? Actually, yeah, I have. I'm chilling right now. Kaya I'm very happy to be on live with all of you guys. Hanging out. Kailan nag-start ang Bekenemen? We started Bekenemen as soon as nag-level 1. So, Bekenemen is not a club. We started the podcast, I think, in September of 2022. And then we started holding viewing parties in March of 2023. We were currently doing season 14 at that time. I think we held like 4 or 5 viewing parties for season 14. And I think we did 7 for All-Star 7. And then we did every episode of Drag Race Philippines Season 1. And we've done every episode of Drag Race Philippines since. No, 2021. 2021. Yeah, September of 2021 pala. And then we started viewing parties ng March of 2022. Yes, ayun. Thank you for correcting me. Oh, sorry na. I'm a calculating queen, but I'm not a good calculator. I'm really bad at math. Sa 4 na kape mong nainom, sinabi niya, Che, makatulog ka pa ba? 3 lang today, huwag kayong fake news. Ay, no joke, 4 pala today. Hehe. 4 ka pala today. Yeah, makatulog ako niyan. I'm a very coffee dependent person. So, I really need coffee to stay awake during the day. Pero pag gabi, nakakatulog pa rin naman ako. 4, oo na. Di ako na wrong. Charit. Go, Mari. Eat well. May t-shirt merch po ba sa mga viewing party? Yes, andun yung may stocks pa tayo, no, Chay, ng t-shirt merch. Go enjoy sa mga manonood sa live ni Angel. Do you drink matcha? Yeah, sometimes. I do like matcha sometimes, but coffee talaga ang favorite ko. Hehe. Naka-live si babae mo tonight, me. Go! And like, if you guys want to watch Angel's live, no problem. Go ahead. Parang sweet talaga pag ibang admin. Wow. Kasi hindi talk shit yung ibang admin. Tingnan mo kung pwede invite si Angel at nag-live siya. If Angel wanted to join, alam nyo guys, hindi naman namin kailangan laging sabay-sabay nagla-live. Huy. Mix, do you think your reputation before you entered the competition put you at a disadvantage? Well, I think we all had a reputation before the competition. And I think, all of our reputation set us up to have certain expectations. And, we're only people. We don't meet all the expectations that people have of us. So, I don't think it's a disadvantage. I think more than anything, it was an advantage to get into the competition because people knew me and the producers knew me from the work that I do related to Drag Race Philippines. OMG, first time seeing out of drag, Mix. I was out of drag sa confessionals. Officially, a Mix apologist. Thank you for your apology. Huh? Kimi. Mi, pa good luck po sa work bago ako mag-work, please. Good luck sa work. Favorite runway look ko is the fractals, but I also really, 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 really love the runway look that we have coming up for this Wednesday. I so love you the moment I saw you perform in 1022's pop-up. Oh my god, that was so long ago. Thank you so much, Marvin Galang, for supporting since 2022. Jolly Corn mukbang when po. Teka lang, busog pa ako na. I just had dinner. May GC ba for your fans? Hello, Mixie Dust. Sa naghahanap ng GC, may admins ako right here in the comments. Just magsabi ka lang na gusto mo sumaya sa GC. Yes, this is Mix. I prefer to be called my drag name, please, and thank you. Have you ever been to Pampanga po? I went to Vanta once when my drag daughter was booked there for a gig. Tas tinulungan ko siya against my will. Charot. Ayan, sa mga gusto sumali sa GC, message, ayan, si Alessandra, or any of the other admins in the comments right now. Thoughts on Eva's elimination on Global All-Stars? It was very heartbreaking. It's always heartbreaking for me to, you know, see someone that has supported me go through a tough time like that. But, yeah. I mean, global is global. The reputation of Global right now kind of speaks for itself. So, ano yun? Ano yung tira mo, Ivan? Ivan, sirend na. So excited to see you perform sa Wednesday. Sana mabasbasan ulit as someone na talsik ka ng Peach Mango Pie na episode 4. You're welcome, I guess. Nakaka-smart makinig ng conversation, sabi ka naman po. We try to be analytical of the show. Not really critical kasi parang we try not to be negative about our critiques, at least. Parang we always wanted to be more constructive. We always want to view the show more as a TV show. We don't, you know, even before my season, parang pag pinag-usapan namin yung show, we're talking about the captured moments of cast members on a TV show rather than parang judging the person's talent as a whole, the person as a whole or their talent as a whole. Hi Mix, magdadala po ba kayo ng merch sa Drag in the South? Yes, we'll be bringing merch sa Drag in the South. Kung ano yung available stocks namin by then, we will be bringing it. Ayun na naman si Miss Universe News. Welcome back to you, Miss Universe News. Listening while taking down some notes of my lessons. Napaso ba dila mo nung kinain mo yung peach mango pie na bagong luto ng viewing party? Hindi, sarap na sarap nga ako actually, mainit-init pa siya. How does it feel, top case ratings while the global is now the lowest? Well, I love the fact that we're in the top ratings right now, and that doesn't mean na parang I don't have to be happy about another franchise being the lowest while being happy about my franchise being the highest. So, parang I don't have to put someone down while celebrating. I don't have to put someone or something down while celebrating something else. Like, you know what I mean? Ano feeling natanggal si Jayquin po? Me and Jayquin actually had a conversation on talk na hindi na napakita. But yeah, we were talking about the possibility that time of us lip-syncing together and, you know, as close friends na pinrocess namin in the moment na parang paano pag isa sa atin uuwi na. And nagkaroon naman kami ng kind of closure ni Jayquin before siya umalis. So, ayun, parang my sister was at peace with her elimination naman. Kyle, paulit-ulit na lang. Ilang beses kita kailangan good luck sa Arky journey mo. Wow. Charis. Mix, what if di ka nag-groove Snatch game? That's just an alternate universe at this point. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is, girl. Without spoilers, what should we expect sa Rusical Me? The cast of season 3 has been bringing it for every episode, and we're gonna continue to bring it for the Rusical. Makakamukha mo talaga si Senrisa nung Snatch Game. Talaga ba? Parang ngayon ko lang narinig yan. Anong second choice no Snatch Game? I tweeted about this, but actually, Rufa May was my second choice. My first choice really was Miriam Defensor Santiago. But, you know, after getting a lot of critiques that I was too serious, too calculated, I thought na parang Miriam Defensor might get the same critiques, and I want to, every time the judges give me critiques, I want to take them in and listen to them and apply them. So, parang na-feel ko lang na baka mas ma-apply ko yung like loosen up critiques with Rufa May, and I did naman, but it's just that I wasn't the funniest in the room. Si Bawas ba gumawa ng jokes me? No. Actually, my Rufa May was mostly improv. That's why wala masyadong bala si Bakla kasi mas prepared ako sa other character ko talaga. What's your favorite fit sa buong season 3? My Dragonfly, Fractal's Runaway, and the Runaway for this upcoming episode are two of my favorites. Ang ganda ng glass mo, Tessa, on Shopya. It's from EO Executive Optical. Actually, you nailed naman the impersonation part. Give ko sa yan, babe. Yeah, I know. Hindi lang ako ganun ka prepared with the jokes for Rufa May. Talaga. Kasi parang, hindi ko talaga siya, nagdala ko ng backup just to have a backup. Like, gets ba? Parang, mas okay na may other character akong prepared rather than just having one and only one. But I really was not expecting na yun yung pipiliin ko. But, kasi, you know, the circumstances. Lipat tayo ng gusto kong Tortured Poets. Tortured Poets Lo-Fi. Siyempre Lo-Fi para hindi tayo ma-flag as copyright. Mix, sumuwi ako para sa live mo kaya pansinin mo ako. Huwag kang pala utos. Chari. I think fave mo ang ribbon design sa hair or like heart chart. I only did it once. Like, isang beses ko lang sila ginawa. Paano mo naman sabing favorite ko siya agad? Wow. Without spoiling, what do you think mararamdaman namin sa episode this week? You will feel what you feel is right. Charis. You're okay, but hoy, naka-live si Angel. Sinong papanoorin ko? Kung sinong gusto panoorin. Pero in fairness naman, feel ko di makakapag-banter na maayos Miriam Defensor compared kay Rufa. Sila good job, okay, bakit? It is what it is. Talagang like, it is what it is. You know, we can't say for sure if I would have done better as which character. So, I'd rather not regret. I don't want to live in regret. Parang, I did what I needed to do in that moment. And whether it was successful or not, stay lovey. Such as life. I-unbox mo yung Issy kit dito. Na-unbox ko na siya. Dito muna ako kay Mix. Loyal ako dito basta i-kiss niya ako soon. Sino ka ba? Miss Universe News? Uy. Sino pinaka-close mo sa Queens this season even outside the competition? Well, close ko si Tita Baby and Jaquin before coming to the competition, and I'm still quite close with them. I got close to I got really, really close to Versex, UD, and John during the competition. Me and Kiana, nung naging Playhouse Girl si Kiana, naging close kami kasi we got to work a lot more together. Why are you so smart when it comes to fashion then, OMG? I think your fits are also good. Like, how? I love it. For my package for Drag Race, I really went in with a specific kind of aesthetic in mind. Parang I really wanted to marry, like, fashion references from, you know, Chanel, of course, Mugler, Versace, Westwood, Gucci, Dior. I wanted to marry those fashion inspirations with my inspirations, mga anime characters. Like, that's my parang specific aesthetic that I wanted to present on Drag Race. Surprised daw, kikiss na lang bigla sa viewing party. Hindi para mang kiss nang walang consent, nak. Fave moments sa Drag Race Philippines? Honestly, mga backstage chikahan namin. Ang dami yung nakikitang backstage bonding, off-cam bonding, lunch break bonding. Na, of course, nga, since off-cam siya, hindi nyo siya nakikita. But yun yung pinaka-nami-miss ko about filming the show is getting to hang out with all of my 10 sisters behind the scenes. What's your top 3 anime mix? I have to say... Cardcaptor Sakura, Violet Evergarden, and then maybe Sailor Moon as my third. Your aesthetics work, do you have any inspirations from past drag queens? I wouldn't say na parang like, no, I was quite inspired by Nikki Doll. I think I really resonated with Nikki Doll's aesthetic. Na ganun din siya. She marries fashion and anime and pop culture references. And I really love that about her. I think when I saw Nikki Doll do that in season 12, it opened up like a realm of possibility for me in terms of what I wanted to pursue with my drag. Of course, Plastique also. Plastique's definitely inspiration in terms of my aesthetic. Manila's definitely inspiration in terms of my aesthetic. Rock'em Sakura, Gigi Good. I pull a lot of inspirations from a lot of things. A lot of people, a lot of queens. Babe, how was your Monday? My Monday is quite busy. I had a photo shoot this morning. And then, I kind of just hung out with my team for the rest of the afternoon. Dahil kay Sakura, ninais ko mag-majorette noon. Oh my God, sobrang fantasy nga talaga mag-baton twirling. Parang may kulang tayo today. Anong kulang yon? Sino ang pinaka-fave nyo in alarma? Si Mama Pau. Like, girl, hindi ko in-expect na magpapa-alarma sa amin si Mama Pau. Madam Mix, kamukha mo sir namin. Aminin mo, madam, ikaw. Sinong sir nyo? La. I hope you don't beat yourself up with the somewhat negative comments about your run in Drag Race Philippines. I am make sure to apologize and quiet na lang ako kasama ko when I'm in the room no bashing. I mean, people are allowed to have comments, but that doesn't mean parang at the end of the day, you guys are watching. At the end of the day, I'm still on a television show that is hard to get into and that people have a lot of thoughts about. So, parang kung ano man yung opinion ng mga tao sa akin, that's their opinion. I've worked on myself a lot since the show. So, I mean, it is what it is. Drag Race is what it is. But at the same time, I'm not limited to or bound by my performance in a TV show. Na-alarman nyo ba si Kyle? Hindi namin na-alarma si Kyle. Pero napakasara nyo si Angel. Oh, edi kamukha ko na lahat ng sir nyo. Wow! May amoy pubo talaga si Mama Rem. Saan nyo naman narinig yan, chika na yan? Huy! Girl, kayo na lang lahat ng chismis. Patola kayo. Wow! Mother, spoilers for episode 6. Wag mo ako utusan. Thank you. Ano yung nakapin na number? Gcash. What's your spirit animal, babe? Pusa, I guess. I don't know. Ala, nagsabay pa kayo ni Angel Ma, I can't multitask. Bakit ba responsibilidad namin na papiliin kayo na like, wow, kaya nyo na yan, malalaki na kayo, mag-decision kayo for yourself. You need to learn how to make decisions for yourself. Charis. Nag-start na ako kumain ng kernel corn dahil sa'yo. Yes, I love corn. Makes my next spit and split show ba? I don't, not that I know of at the moment. No. Wag po kalimutan mag-D&D sa gabi kasi baka may magtawag sa'yo po sa'yo. Yeah, nag-do na disturb naman ako when I'm sleeping. I've always thought, still do, that you carry yourself with such class. I really hope I get to see you when I return to Manila. It's the therapy, girl. As a psych patient, it's the therapy, girl. I really want to show that I really want to try drag as a girly, but I'm not that good pa with fashion and art things, but you're literally my inspiration. You don't have to be good at something to try it. Like, that's why you're trying it, is to get good at it eventually. Like, you're never gonna get good at something if you don't try. How much did you invest in for 3D fractals? I don't remember na. Na-remove na nga ang spammer. Deserve. One word for episode 6-6. Rusical. Charis. Spoilers para sa episode 6. Please huwag mo ako utusan. How much did you spend in preparing for Drag Race? A lot that I don't wanna disclose. Arian, Justine, walang sound. Problema mo yan. Sorry. I stand your personality. Love you, Mix. Thank you so much for liking my personality. I like it too sometimes. Charot. Pag nag-Manila leg tour ang Dead Inside ni Bianca Del Rio, sana makita kita there, Mix. Wanna watch every party? Yes. Kahit pag pupunta dito sa Bianca Del Rio, I definitely wanna watch because I was in her last Manila, is it a concert? Comedy tour? Basta I was in her Manila stop for her last tour and I had such a good time. Sobrang funny niya in person. Kailan kayo magkita-kita ulit ng mga queens? Kung kailan mag-align yung schedules namin. Kasi girl, sobrang busy namin talaga. Like, me and the girls are getting a lot of opportunities and I really love that for us. Pero ayun nga, that means hindi kami laging free na magkita-kita lahat. Me, bading po ako, do you love that for me? If you love that for you, I love that for you. Share. May grado ba yung glasses mo? Yes, 250. But I have to be good din, little steps hanggang ma-achieve ko na 1, I mean, you're going to get good if you practice. Like, that's the point of practicing and trying. You're going to get good when you practice. You're not good at everything the first time. Did you and Baus know each other from Ateneo pa? No. Higher batch si Baus sa akin. Baus is like significantly older than me. Hindi na kami nag-abot sa Ateneo. But nagkaabot kami sa improv school. We took improv workshops. Doon kami parang nagkakilala ni Baus. Kamusta ka? I'm doing well. Currently just vibing and chilling here on this live. Looking forward to your guesting on Brigading's show. Oh, yes, I'm also so excited for the brand. I will be on the brand this Thursday. You can catch us live on Kumu and then the replay sa YouTube will be uploaded sometime after. I don't know. Baus is not 40 years old, girl. OA. Sasali po ba sasali po ba si Baus sa Drag Race? Baus doesn't do drag, at least yet. When ka po release ng new merch, please mga anik-anik ko po. We have some new merch in the works. Hindi ko lang super naasikaso talaga lately, but we have the paper dolls. We're gonna sell the paper dolls soon. They're in production. Paper dolls of my looks from episode 2. What if kayo na talaga ni Baos? What if iba yung ano? What if may iba akong jowa? Di nyo ba naisip yun? Charis. OMG, Spit Manila, how was it? Dahil mo namang performing skills background work. Improv is one of my favorite things that I ever studied. As in, promise. Like, sobrang... Improv is a mixture of, like, performance skills, a little bit of therapy, a little bit of self-confidence work, a little bit of presentation and public speaking skills. I love improv. If you've ever thought about taking up improv workshops, do it. Good luck sa mga kailangan ng good luck tomorrow. I am nearsighted. Where did you take your lessons? Third World Improv. Third World Improv, yung improv school that was put up by Spit Manila. Who's your jowa? Secret. Di nyo sure. Intrigera talaga kayo. Lahat na lang ng chismis pinapatulan nyo. Lahat ng intriga. Blah. Anong oras ba ako nag-start ng live? Di ba? Parang naka 1 hour na yata ako. I think it's 9 p.m. guys. I think I'm gonna end the live in a little bit para pare-pares tayo makapagpahinga. I have some work. We're shooting new episodes of Hanash, our new venture on the Bekenemen podcast. On Hanash, we talk about life and pop culture. But yeah, we're filming a couple new episodes tomorrow. One of them is going to be with Tita Baby, so please look forward to that. But yeah, a lot more in store soon. Episode 6 on Wednesday. Nood kayo sa Wow Presents Plus or HBO Go, please. See you sa viewing parties if you guys are going to viewing parties. On Thursday, I will be recording the recap of episode 6 with Baos on Thursday. I'll also be doing the brand with Brigading on Thursday, and then I have Butterboy on Saturday. So if you guys are going to Butterboy, I'll see you there. If you're going to the Bekenemen viewing party this Wednesday, I'll see you there. But for now, end ko na muna yung live para pare-pares tayo makapagpahinga at matulog ng maaga. Ang mga kailangan matulog ng maaga. Good luck sa mga kailangan ng good luck, whether that be an exam, presentation, reporting. Good luck dahil ewan kumalas ka lang na tao. Basta yon. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. It has been a wonderful Mixed Monday with all of you. And good night. Ay, by the way, mayroon akong kwento. Kasi kanina may nangyari sa